Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C53 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So firstly, let's open the camera app, and it does not really matter on which mode you will be. However, I will switch to the photo mode because I've applied the grid lines in order to show you the actual visual evidence that the reset option will work. So basically, it should disappear after resetting. So in order to reset the settings, simply enter the settings themselves. So let's tap on it, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom. Now let's tap on Restore Defaults and confirm it. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera and the grid lines are not visible, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.